Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here at 11110 Lee Highway. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok, and our website at www.acevacuums.com. Today we're going to talk about some Miele products. In particular, we're going to talk about all the floor attachments from your carpet to your hardwood floor attachments and some of the differences and comparisons between both. A lot of people use canister vacuums, especially Miele vacuums, because of their longevity, reliability, and performance. They are just one of the best canister pound per pound as far as suction, filtration, overall functionality, versatility. We absolutely love having the Miele product, being a Miele dealer. So today we're going to show you some of the Powerheads and some of the hardwood floor tools. The first one that we're going to show you today, if you look down here, is going to be your 236 Powerhead. This is an electro Powerhead with the LED light on the front of it. It's a more slender design from the other ones. It has your 5 height adjustment from your low pile to your deep pile carpet. This has a safety feature in here that if something gets jammed up in here, it'll stop and protect the belt, protect the roller. So you have a lifetime belt with this machine, and then it's going to actually glow red when you need to hit the reset button and pull whatever's out in here. This is a very, very nice Powerhead with a good warranty. It works very well on your carpets. It's one of the best Powerheads that you can buy through the Miele company. We highly recommend if you're looking for somebody that has wall-to-wall carpeting, this is probably the right Powerhead for you. So just if you have any questions, let us know about this one. The next one is just going to be your step down. This is going to be your 228 Powerhead. This is the Electro Plus. This is the 228. Again, you have your 5 height adjustments on the machine here, so from 1 to 5. It's a little bit more of a bulkier Powerhead. We find it's a little bit heavier, but it's not too bad. It works really good, runs across the carpeting. This one just doesn't have the LED light and the safety reset button. That's the biggest difference. Other than that, these two in comparison, as well as they clean the carpet, they're going to both do just about the same. They're both top of the line Powerheads through Miele. These typically come now with the classic C1s, majority of all your C3s. This one's going to be coming with your like your premium C3s, or you can buy them separately and exchange them out when you get them. We do a different exchange program. So if you have any questions about that, if you're looking at a C3 that comes with this and you'd like to get this, let us know. We might be able to work out something for you. All right, the next Turbohead that we're going to talk about is your carpet attachment, is your Miele Turbotech. This is a carpet attachment for majority of all your straight suction machines. This one on the bottom, you notice it has a smaller roller, a smaller width base. It's not as wide. It doesn't cover as big of a span as these two. The biggest difference in this one is this is an air-driven Powerhead, meaning that there's two basically fan systems in here that once the suction is generated from the machine, it will in turn make these fans spin, which will in turn turn the roller. So this is typically more geared for somebody with light carpet, with area rugs, not somebody that has wall-to-wall carpeting. So we sell like the compact C1s, majority of all like the compact C1, the Turbo Team, the home care models and all that stuff is going to typically come with this, and they're more geared for somebody with little to no carpet and just area rugs. So they're not going to provide that deep cleaning because there's no electric like these other Powerheads that have the motors in them. This one just doesn't have that. Okay. The next thing we're going to talk about is your hardwood floor attachment here. This will come with like some of the lower end Miele's that are more all designed for hardwood floors. You'll see a lot of these come in like the ones from Costco and Amazon and stuff. So essentially you have a button here that will change to hardwood floors, which is going to bring out your little brushes here. They do have the little rivets in them to allow big clumps of stuff and dirt and things like that to pass through it, as well as you have your little microfiber pads here that helps pick up the pet hair and things like that. If you want to use this on the area rugs, essentially you're just going to hit this button forward. Now what that's going to do is release these to come back inside the machine, inside the Powerhead here, which allows you to safely run this across your area rugs and carpeting. I recommend something like this if you have really old Oriental rugs or Persian rugs where the fibers are like really brittle or soft or things like that, where it's telling you not to have a roller. This is more designed and geared for somebody with those type of area rugs, where it tells you when you buy it not to have the roller spin across it. So Great hardwood floor tool, great for all your area rugs and stuff like that. This comes with a lot of your compact C1s. The next one we're going to talk about, this is your Parquet tool. The one that we're showing here is the XL version of the Parquet Twister. They have another one that's a little bit smaller, about like that much of a difference there. Now this will come with a lot of the upgraded C3s. This is a really nice, really easy to use hardwood floor attachment. I love this. I use this in my house very often. It has the nice long big ridges here that allows all the big dirt to travel through. Nice soft bristles, so it's good for all hardwood floor types, from your laminate flooring, your hardwood floors, tile, linoleum, all that type of stuff. It's really a good tool. It has a nice twister feature that allows it to be able to lay completely flat to get under tables, low reach places. We do sell these XL versions. Now, none of the XLs come with any of the Miele's. You have to buy this one separately. But like I said, your Parquet floor brush tool is probably one of the better hardwood floor tools that we carry for the Miele, and it does come with like your C3 systems and stuff like that. So this is a great tool. If you have any questions about the XL, the difference in the sizes, just let us know. This is just a few of the different floor tool attachments, your carpet attachments that we carry here. We have a lot of different attachments, from dusting brushes, extended crevice tools, all the stuff that Miele carries, the turbo tools. If you have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292. You could also check us out on our website. Don't forget to like us here on the YouTube channel, as well as Facebook, Instagram, follow us on TikTok, and check all of our videos out. Thank you guys again. I hope you all have a great week, and see ya.